I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs. We're going to make a sweet potato garland. I have my mom with me again today, and we're going to use some sweet potatoes and instant coffee and cinnamon. And we've got some cotton string on a thick, heavy-duty needle. These sweet potatoes came from my dad's garden, and they still have a little bit of dirt on them, so there'll be a little bit less grunging necessary for this. Cutting them in about 3/8 inch slices. After cutting them, we strung them on the string, and then we tried dipping them in our grunge mixture, which is a mixture of cinnamon and instant coffee. And we realized that it would be much easier to dip them before stringing them on. So we took them back off the string and dipped them into the grunge mixture without them being strung on the string. Now here we've got them off of the string, and there's some cinnamon and coffee already in the pan, but we're going to sprinkle a little bit more cinnamon on to really make sure that all of them get completely covered with some of the grunge mixture. Now that all of the sweet potatoes have been grunged, we're going to go ahead and string them onto the string. But the string does have a knot at one end to keep them all on. And as these dried, they shrunk up quite a bit more, and we ended up adding more to the string to fill it in more. This is the original string hung up to dry before we added any more sweet potatoes to it. Here's a close-up of how it looks now that it is completely dried. I hope you found that helpful. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.